Hey guys, it's a Camera Commando. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and install of some Rally Pro handguards from Acerbis on a 2020 Yamaha XT250. Stay tuned.
Can I get a hoo-wah?
All right, let's see what's in the box. Got 3 pieces of a mounting kit. Inside the mounting kit, got some stickers, mounting hardware, and all the little pieces we're going to need to put this together. Got some options. No instructions. So these are the pieces that come in the kit. Okay, for this install you're going to need a drill with a 1/2-inch bit. You're going to need an H3, a hex nut. You're going to also need a pair of pliers and maybe some sort of knife to carve a little bit of plastic. Might also help to have a flat tip screwdriver. First I got to loosen this up and move it over a little bit. Make sure it's going to fit what it looks like. Based on the position and placement, this may be in the way, so I'm going to slide it over a little bit just to be sure. Temporarily. So based on the size of my handlebars, which is 7/8, I'm going to have to use these larger spacers. It comes with 2 different sizes in the kit. These are the larger ones. Okay. So what I did was I loosened this up here and I moved this down a little bit. Then I used the larger washers that came with the kit because you've got 2 sizes, and I put those in here loosely just to hold it in place because I know I'm going to have to swing it up and figure out the placement. So then we're looking at something like this and I'm going to work with that, but first I got to get the bottom part done. So that looks to fit. It's going to adjust. Alright, next for the handguards. This is unorthodox, but you could try. This is a whittler's knife, and I'm going to try using this blade and maybe these to carve out the ends of the rubber handguards. Bingo. So I was not expecting that this piece didn't have the same size hole in it. So I cut the hole, I rolled the rubber back, and I'm going to have to drill this to make it big enough to accept the adapter for the handlebar. Here's a drill. 1/2-inch bit. Let's see if this works. It's time to commit. It is on.
Like Donkey Kong.
Bad idea. Bad idea. Let's try an incremental. Let's try incremental. Hope this works. Didn't work. But you know what? Don't need to. Just need to get this piece off the end. Stand by. Perfect. Bingo. That thing is wicked sharp. Cut your hand. All right. Success. Using this thing. That is sharp. It's called a flex cut, made in the USA. Looks kind of like garbage, but it's going to look good when it's done. Oh yeah. Okay, right, so left side's done. Same thing, other side. Second thought, I think I'm gonna switch this and have it go underneath the cable, so I'm gonna switch that one around. Just set this one up real quick. Okay, there it is. Hand grips on. A little bit more aggressive look to the bike. So far, so good. All right, guys, that's it. Simple install, 45 minutes to an hour. Common tools that you have in your house, no big deal. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below or send me an email. If you have any requests, let me know personally and I'll see if I can accommodate those videos. Other than that, if you learned something today, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, help me out. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot. Camera Commander out.
Charlie, don't serve! Convoy of PTRs with dealer 5-5.